Let's get to know the phases of the moon and see how these phases appear to us in the actual skies. Every lunar month begins when the moon is in conjunction to the sun. This would appear in the skies as if there is no moon, because it is too close to the sun to see, and because during this time the moon is showing us its dark side. This would also mean the moon sets with the sun in the west in the evening. The dark moon or no moon is called a new moon, and it marks the beginning of the lunar cycle. The moon moves one astrological sign every 2.5 days. It's very fast. And that means that every day it moves about 15 degrees to the east, as if getting away from the sun. If we follow the moon every night, we will see right after the new moon, at the beginning of the lunar cycle, a thin crescent appearing right after sunset and very close to where the sun has just set, hurrying to descend right after the sun. As the days pass, the moon will move more and more to the east every night, and the crescent will become a bit fuller. After a week, a half moon, which is called the first quarter, will appear in mid-skies at sunset, and from there, with Earth's rotation, will seem to us as if moving to the west and descending after 6 hours. From then on, for a week, we have a waxing gibbous moon, meaning the moon is getting bigger and bigger. After 14 days, we will have a full moon. The full moon always rises exactly at sunset in the east. It is opposing the sun, so it rises in the east when the sun sets in the west. The full moon will travel the skies during the whole night and will descend to the west exactly at sunrise. From there onwards, the moon will start waning, meaning getting thinner and thinner every night. It will also appear in the east every night about an hour later. The half moon of the third lunar week is called the third quarter, and it will appear to us only 6 hours after sunset. From then onwards, we will have a waning crescent moon, as the moon gets thinner and thinner and rises later and later. Towards the end of the lunar cycle, the thin waning crescent moon will rise in the sky just before dawn. These are the days, by the way, that we might get to see a slice of a moon in the skies in the late morning.